Alright, these are the 2-2 notes. It's either function, not a function. So we got two vocabs here. First one is relation. All a relation is it is a set of ordered pairs. So a set of ordered pairs in x and a y. Function, in order for it to be a function, your x's do not repeat. And I'll show you what that means in the examples. And again, remember this is a video, so you can always pause it, rewind it, etc. Alright, here we go. Express 2, 5, -2, 3, 5, -2, -1, -2 as a table, graph, and map. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the table first. So we have 2, 5, -2, 3, 5, -2, -1, -2. So this is a relation because it's a set of ordered pairs. Okay, now I'm going to plot these. 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And -1, -2, so 1, 1, 2. This is a relation because it is a set of ordered pairs. And then I have to do the mapping. Okay, the mapping, x is going on the left side, y is going on the right side. Okay, so the mapping for my x's, I have 2. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do this in order from least to greatest. So my x values here, we have 2, -2, 5, and -1. So I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. So my smallest one is -2. The next one is -1. The next one is 2. The last one is 5. And then I'm going to do my y's. Okay, so again, my y values here, I'm going to do these in order from least to greatest. So my smallest one there would be a -2. And you only write down one time, even though I see that it's twice, 3, and then a 5. And then what you do here now is you order them up. So 2 goes with 5, so bloop, like that. -2 goes with 3, so bloop, like that. 5 goes with -2, so bloop, like that. And then -1 goes with -2, so bloop, like that. And that's it. So again, that is a relation because that is a set of ordered pairs. Okay, which of the following graph does not represent y as a function of x? There is this thing, and we're going to write down, it's called the vertical line test. So what that means is when you draw a line, so you're going to draw a line, and it should only touch, so it should only touch the graph once. So one time. If it touches more than once, it is not a function. Okay, so here we go. Looking at this first one, if I were to draw a line, if you put your pencil down, okay, on here, how many times do you touch that graph? You touch it more than once, okay, top and bottom. So this one is not a function because it did not pass the vertical line test. Okay, over here on the right side, if I draw the line here one time, it touches at one point. Draw your line up and down, it touches at one point. Draw my line up and down, it touches at one point. So this one would be a function. So it says, which of the following does not represent y as a function of x? Well, that would be graph 1 and only graph 1. So A here would be your answer. Alright, number 3, determine whether each relation is a function. So we're going to start with this first one. In order for it to be a function, your x's cannot repeat. So here's the first one, -4, boom, 2, boom, 0, boom, 2, boom, 4, boom. It does not repeat. Each one of these is attached to a number. So this one would be a function. For the explain, you put x's do not repeat. Alright, second one, the domain and range. Okay, all you do is you look at the x values. So domain and range here, this is your x, this is your y. Domain is x, range is y. So domain, I don't care about any of this crap over here. Okay, that's gone. Okay, for domain, I have 2, 5, 6, and 6. What was that? Did I just repeat myself? Let me try again. 2, 5, 6, and 6. I did repeat myself. These right here repeated, so this one is not a function. And where it says explain, we will put the x value 6 repeats. Alrighty. Next one, we have 2, -1, 5, 2. I think I just repeated myself because I have a 2 and a 2, so this one here is not a function. And we don't have space on here. Well, I can do 2 repeats. There we go. We'll just write that. 2 repeats. Okay. This next one, y equals 1/2 x minus 6. If you were to put this in y equals, you will see a straight line. Seeing that straight line, all those x's, they do not repeat, so this one is a function. And you can also look at your table and see it does not repeat. Alrighty, next one, vertical line test. Go through 1 point, goes through 1 point. This one goes through 2 point. Oh no, that cannot happen, so this one is not a function. And you can either say that it fails the vertical line test, or you can say it passes through 2 points. So passes through 2 points. Alright, next one. So I can draw a line, 1 point, 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 1, 1, 1. So this one would be a function. Okay, next one. This one seems a little bit tricky because you would think that it touches more than once, but it really doesn't. This is actually going to be a function. It'll be very obvious if it crosses, like the next one. See right here? See how it's very obvious that I crossed up top and on bottom? This one will be not a function. And for this one, I'll just put that it fails the vertical line test. Okay. And last one, number 4. 3 of the representations below show the same relation. Which answer choice shows a relation that is different from the other 3? Okay, so here we go. A, 5, 0, 5, 1, 6, 0, 6, 2. I'm not worried about function, not a function. All I worry about is a relation. That's the set of ordered pairs. So for A, I cannot do, those are the numbers I have. So let's look at B. 5, 0. So here this 5, 0 matches up with this 5, 0. 5, 1 matches with 5, 1. 6, 0, 6, 0. 6, 2, 6, 2. All right, doing good so far. All right, let's look at C. 5, 0, 5, 0. 5, 1, 5, 1. 6, 0, 6, 0. 6, 2, 6, 2. Doing so good so far. Let's look at D. Okay, so I should have 5, 0. I do not have 5, 0. That's the bad guy right there. D would be the answer because it does not match the relation that A, B, and C have. Alright, and so that is it for the 2-2 notes.